Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're catching up with Todd Davis, the co-founder of LifeLock, who famously posed with his social security number in big billboards. Many wonder, where is he now? Let's break it all down. Todd Davis, born in 1968 South Carolina, earned a degree from Baylor University in entrepreneurship and management. He co-founded LifeLock in 2005 and served as its CEO, making himself the face of the brand. He became known for his bold marketing, including displaying his social security number publicly to illustrate confidence in his company's services. In January 2016, Davis stepped down as CEO of LifeLock and transitioned into the role of executive vice chairman. The company soon underwent changes. LifeLock was acquired by Symantec in 2017 and later became part of Gen Digital. LifeLock faced significant regulatory troubles during his tenure, including fines for deceptive advertising. After stepping back from day-to-day leadership, Davis shifted his focus toward other ventures and investments. Where is Todd Davis now? As of now, Todd Davis is no longer running LifeLock's daily operations. He serves as executive chairman of Cadenwood, an investment and advisory firm, a role he has held since about 2019. He is based in Phoenix, Arizona, and has been active in the startup and venture capital space, for example, investing in Arizona-based health tech company Pix Health. While he retains ties to cybersecurity and identity protection industries, his public presence is much lower than during his days as LifeLock CEO. Todd Davis's story is one of high visibility, dramatic marketing, and major business pivots. He went from the poster child of identity protection to a quieter role behind the scenes in investing and advisory. If you wondered where he landed after LifeLock, that's it. Phoenix, investment deals, and a step away from the spotlight.